What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Home Slice. If you've been following along, you know that recently I actually did a test where I did 1,000 chops in a piece of lumber, and I did that with 3 different edges, and the last one that I did was stropped with denim. So a pair of blue jeans cut up with some automotive metal polish in it, Mother's Mag brand. And after 1,000 chops, which, you know, I thought would be quite a lot of wear on the edge, as well as shock and, you know, potential bending of the edge, the blade was still shaving, and that really shocked me. It was a dramatic enough result that I figured that it would be worth revisiting our previous tests with the 9mm twisted Sisal and the Victorinox knife. So this here, just like those edges that I tested previously, is sharpened to 20 degrees per side, and it's actually been stropped with denim the same way that the K-Bar Becker BK7 in the other video has been. And I'm just going to do a quick rope cutting test till it surpasses 400 grams on the best machine to sort of cross compare and see if that edge is mainly really good for push cutting applications where edge durability is needed, or whether the research that I did into the Science of Sharp website and the edges that he's making with denim strops maybe actually translate to knives to be a pretty good all-purpose edge. So we're gonna see if we can find out today. I forgot to mention I had a viewer who sent me this carbide scribing tool because my Sharpie marks in these tests would always wear away. And thanks for that, Alex. It's come in very handy. But anyway, I'm going to line up the pedestal, but on the off chance that I need to move the pedestal, I'm just going to mark it with this carbide tool, scribing tool, so that I know right where we're testing. Alright, 5 cuts down. Lots to go. $341. Okay, well, that seems fairly clear and conclusive anyway, that this style of edge is perhaps best suited for a push cutting application, and that it is more resistant to like the silicates or abrasive things that are inside of some wood than what is inside of sisal rope. Or perhaps another way of putting it is, it would seem that this style of edge, it required a lot of pressure to push, and is maybe smoothed and micro-convexed, especially at 20 degrees, to the extent that you do lose some aggression, which is no big deal. Like, you don't need aggression, you need stability, right? If you're chopping into a piece of wood, then you need stability. You just need the edge to stay the shape that it is as it travels forward through it. But in an application like this, where it really depends on the edge aggression, that was a very, very difficult test, and we very conclusively have passed the 400 gram mark by 65 cuts. So interesting piece of data there, and yeah, I think that sort of confirms my suspicion that we need to look into not just what's the best way to sharpen, but what's the best style of edge for different steels and different applications. So I hope you enjoyed that. I'll just say peace out from the home slice. You guys take care. Bye.